ترحب بالطلبة الناجحين في شهادة البكالوريا دورة 2023. إذا كانت طموحاتكم المستقبلية في ميدان علوم الطبيعة والحياة، فكليتنا تضمن تكوينكم. عميد الكلية يرحب بكم.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed faculty members, distinguished guests, and most importantly, our newly admitted bachelor students. It is with great pleasure and excitement that I stand before you today as the Dean of the Faculty of Natural Sciences Sidi Mohammed Ali. On behalf of the entire faculty, I extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you who have embarked on this incredible journey of higher education. Now, without further ado, I would like to invite two exceptional students from our faculty, Bomidian Sama and Saji Hajar, to share their experiences and present to you the wonders of our faculty. They will provide you with valuable insights into the various opportunities and resources available to you during your time here.
First, I would like to introduce you my university, Blعباس University, also known as University of Sidi Blعباس, is a public university located in Sidi Blعباس, Algeria. The university offers a variety of programs in different fields of study, including the College of Natural and Life Sciences. The College of Natural and Life Sciences at University Blعباس offers undergraduate and graduate programs in biology, geology, physics, and chemistry. Our college is committed to providing students with a quality education and hands-on experience through laboratory work and research projects. Some of the facilities available at our college include well-equipped laboratories, research centers, and a library. The college also has a dedicated team of faculty members who are experts in their respective fields and are committed to supporting the academic and professional development of their students.
And our university includes three major departments that are biology, environment and ecology, and agronomy sciences. Each domain has so many specialties. For example, environmental sciences department's license has specialties such as ecology and environment, biotechnology and health, and biology department's license has biology and animal physiology, biology and plant physiology, food nutrition and pathology, which is my specialty. And last is agronomy department. And for the masters in environmental sciences department, we have ecology of natural environments, plant and ecology. And for biology department, we have applied microbiology, biochemistry, immunology, biochemistry of nutrition. Our university also has a hall for the cultural and scientific activities. And we also have laboratories for practical work, which is so important for me as a biological student.
فمرحبا بكم في كلية علوم الطبيعة والحياة.